For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
International students who are pursuing degrees in United States will have to leave the country or risk deportation. Trump administration officials are speeding up efforts to force foreign nationals to leave the United States. The Immigration and Custom Enforcement said students will have to leave country if their universities switch to online-only courses. International students at US universities operating entirely online may not take a full online course load and remain in the United States. The US Department of State will not issue visas to students enrolled in schools and or programs that are fully online for the fall semester, nor will the US Customs and Border Protection permit these students to enter the United States. Active students currently in the United States enrolled in such programs must depart the country or take other measures such as transferring to a school with in-person instruction to remain in lawful status. If not, they may face immigration consequences, including but not limited to the initiation of removal proceedings. The announcement sent shockwaves through US universities. Many of these universities decided for health and safety reasons to offer classes exclusively online in the fall. The move may affect thousands of foreign students who come to the United States to attend universities. Several educationalists are of the opinion that the government of India should intervene and hold talks with the US counterparts. The government of India should initiate talks with the US and respective universities for refund of fees when regular classes are not being provided. What should be done about the hostel fee that has been paid for the entire duration of the course? The Ministry of External Affairs must take up all the specific issues with the US government. The government must ensure that students get adequate relief to pay back the loans they have taken. Administration policies that may drive out existing international students as well will be a further financial blow to the students. Universities nationwide are beginning to make the decision to transition to online courses as a result of the coronavirus pandemic. Foreigners constitute around 5.5% of the students enrolling in US colleges. Harvard is among the first universities that has shifted completely to online teaching till a vaccine is found to tackle COVID-19. The latest policy should be seen in the context of the June 22nd presidential proclamation that blocked the entry of foreign-born professionals.